If you're thinking about buying NanoPolix Scratch Remover, you may want to wait until you hear the full picture because the advertising makes some very bold promises that deserve a closer look. NanoPolix claims it can permanently remove scratches, restore your vehicle's original factory paint, and repair damaged surfaces in less than 60 seconds using advanced nanotechnology. But those claims should be viewed with realistic expectations. While the product may help improve the appearance of very light surface marks or reduce the visibility of minor imperfections, there is no convincing evidence that a simple cloth or liquid can permanently repair deep scratches, chipped paint, or damaged clear coat. Many of the promotional materials rely on impressive-sounding terms such as molecular repair and nanometal technology, without providing clear scientific proof or independent testing to support those statements. Some online demonstrations also appear heavily edited or staged, making it difficult to determine how the product performs in everyday conditions. In addition, similar scratch remover products with nearly identical packaging and marketing can be found on wholesale marketplaces like Alibaba, Temu, and AliExpress at much lower prices, raising questions about whether NanoPolix offers anything truly unique. Customer feedback across different platforms is mixed, with some buyers reporting slight cosmetic improvements, while others say the results do not match the dramatic before and after advertisements. There have also been complaints involving misleading promotions, aggressive discount countdowns, refund difficulties, and marketing practices commonly associated with dropshipping products. That doesn't automatically mean NanoPolix is a scam, but it does mean shoppers should be cautious and avoid expecting professional quality paint restoration from such a product. Before making a purchase, compare independent customer experiences. Read the refund policy carefully, and remember that truly deep paint damage usually requires professional repair rather than a quick wipe-on solution. Taking a few extra minutes to research could save both your money and your expectations.